Following on for the major dollar pairs, we've got AUD and NZD. If we look at the 4-hour time frame yesterday, this was our break of structure, this was our swing low, and this was our swing high until we broke it this morning. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, we can see that there was a position that we could have taken yesterday. We had our most recent break of structure here, switching bullish from a previously bearish market. Within this overall impulse in towards the upside, we can see that we had this point of low as a significant liquidity low that we could have looked for the upside continuations from. As you can see, once we took that low, we then switched bullish, and this made longs valid. If you were to take this position, you would have been looking for something around that and then targeting the highs for a nice 1 to 2, which would have come in if you had set it exactly on the liquidity. As you can see, this was a position that you could have taken. However, as I had 2 other positions on the USD yesterday, I didn't want to keep my exposure too high, and I took Euro AUD instead to show the AUD strength. If we go on to NZD, we can see on the daily time frame that we've had our break of structure, swing low, swing high. We came down, we took out this major point of liquidity within this overall impulse before then switching bullish. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, there wasn't really a position to take yesterday, as there was no clear points of liquidity within this overall impulse after breaking structure. So this was our break of structure, this was the impulse, this was the only point of liquidity that you could have looked to get taken before looking for the upside. However, as you didn't get the 50% level of the fib and there was no clear points at the bottom section, I favoured an AU long over an NU long. However, if we now look at it, we've now had another break of structure. This is my swing low, this is my swing high. If we manage to come down to liquidate this low, I'll then be looking for the upside continuations.